My name is Ainsley Davis, and I will be talking about kindness. The definition of kindness can be defined by being generous, compassionate, and loving. Kindness is based off of one's personal ethics, values, and beliefs. In my personal opinion, kindness to me means one person that is doing an act of service to someone else to benefit them in a positive way. And not necessarily does it mean that the person doing the act of kindness gains something from it. They're just doing it purely out of love. When I researched types of kindness, there came three main groups. The first one is caring. Caring is when another person's physical or emotional needs is being met by someone else. Caring does not include giving or helping. The second type of kindness is giving. Giving is providing items for the receiver to keep. This can include like gifts, money, and other like usable items. I liked the picture that I put in here. It's from iMom, and it just has like little types of kindness that you can do that don't really involve anything hard. The third type of kindness is helping. Helping is doing acts for others to help them solve a problem, and it literally means exactly what helping means. So it does not include giving, you are just lending a helping hand. How kindness affects us as individuals. Kindness involves making emotional connections with others. Kindness involves putting yourself out there and being vulnerable. There has been research done to prove that kindness increases your self-esteem and can boost your mood and make you happier. Kindness makes you feel good, makes you feel good about yourself. How kindness affects society as a whole. Kindness does not have a negative correlation, like, some words have a negative meaning and they can sound negative, but kindness is more a positive word. Kindness boosts society by improving the overall mental health of individuals. It just makes people happier. We feed off other people's energy and vibes. Kindness attracts positive vibes. Humans are literally meant to be kind. We are wired for kindness. And that's just something that humans, all have in common that I thought was really cool. Why is kindness important? Well, kindness is important because it doesn't do any harm. There is nothing wrong with being a little kind. Life is too short to be grouchy and hate others and hate what you're doing. Kindness promotes love. And love is something that I think the world definitely needs more of nowadays. And kindness can require little effort at all. It can be something that you go out and do, let's say you buy something for somebody, or it can just be that you write on a piece of paper and that requires no effort at all. So kindness is one of those things that is easy to do if you just think about it and take time out of your day to do it. So one of my acts of kindness was I paid for my roommate's meal because she ran out of her Flex and I had plenty to spend, so it was not a big deal to me to do it for her. And she loves Chick-fil-A, so I paid for her meal, and I hope that this made her smile and that it was yummy. My second act of kindness was I put this little "You Got It" sticker on my other roommate Audrey's mirror because I know she had a day, she went home and saw her family, so when she came back I wanted her to smile and remind her that it is finals week and that classes can be hard, but it's not impossible. My third act of kindness was when I surprised my big, her name's Nicole, with a goodie basket that I'd made with all of her favorite snacks after she'd had a stressful week. And she helps me, so I figured that making her this basket would help her out and to let her know that I loved her and that I really appreciated everything that she does for me. Why kindness is important to me. Kindness is important to me because I struggle with always being in a cheerful mood. Kindness reminds me to be nice and remember everyone struggles and that it's okay to have hard days. Kindness is the grace to help get me through my bad days even when I can't see it myself.